In question 12, we need to find the rise in the temperature of water and rise in temperature of water in next 15 minutes. Solution 12. So the effective resistance will be 12 by 8 plus 1, which will be 5 by 2. Current will be 6 by 5 by 2, which will be 12 by 5 amperes. I dash 6 equal to I minus I dash 2. So 8 I dash 24 by 5. I dash will be 3 by 5 ampere. I minus I dash will be 12 by 5 minus 3 by 5, 9 by 5 ampere. Heat. I square RT 9 by 5 square into 2 into 15 into 60. Heat will be 5832 joule. So this much heat will increase the temperature by 2.916 Kelvin. Then effective resistance will be 1 plus 2, 3 ohms. Current will be 6 by 3, 2 amperes. Heat will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 15 into 60, 7200 joule. 2000 joule raise 1 Kelvin. So 7200 joule will raise 3.6 Kelvin. In 13, find the thermo EMF developed. Solution 13. So EMF will be A theta plus half B theta square. Putting their values, minus 46 into 10 to the power minus 6, 0.001 minus half, 0.48 into 10 to the power minus 6. This minus is because this term is in minus, and theta square 0.001 square. EMF will be minus 4.6 into 10 to the power minus 8 volt. In 14, we need to find the thermo EMF developed in a copper silver thermocouple. Solution 14. E will be A theta 0.26 into 40 microvolt. So it will be 1.04 into 10 to the power minus 5 volt. In 15, find the neutral temperature and inversion temperature. Solution 15. So neutral temperature minus A by B 13.8 over 0.042, which will be 328.57 degrees Celsius. In 16, we need to find charge required to flow through electrolyte to liberate one atom of monovalent and divalent material. Solution 16, part A. So one atom require 96500 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 coulomb, equal to 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 coulomb. So equivalent mass will be equal to molar mass in monoatomic, and in diatomic equivalent mass will be half of molar mass. So therefore one atom will require 96500 into 2 over 6.023 into 10 to the power 23, around 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. In 17, find the amount of silver liberated. Solution 17. So silver equal to 107.9 G ZAG E by 107.9 over 96500 0.001118. Mass will be ZIT 0.001118 into 0.5 into 3600 equal to 2.01. In question 18, find the current used by the unit. Solution 18. So current will be 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 over 1.12 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 180, which will give us 15 ampere. In 19, we need to find time required to liberate hydrogen. Solution 19. So for 1 liter 2 and 22.4, mass ZIT 2 by 22.4 196,500 into 5 into T. So T will come out to be 1732.21 second. In 20, we need to find the atomic weight of travelling metal and how much silver is deposited. Solution 20. So mass ZIT 1 equal to 3 into 96500 2 into 1.5 into 3600. So molar mass will be 26.8 gram per mole. E1 by E2, M1 by M2, it will be 107.9 over molar mass by 3, M1 by 1, so M1 will come out to be 12.1 gram. In 21, find the time taken to do the job in this situation. Solution 21. So ZAG equal to E by F 107.9 over 96500. M is ZIT. So 42 equal to 107.9 over 96500 into 15 into T. So from here T will come out to be 42504.17 second, and in minutes around 42 minutes approx. In question 22, this figure is given. Find the heat developed in 20 ohm resistor. Solution 22. ZIT 2.68 equal to 107.9 over 96500 into I into 10 into 60. So from here I will come out to be around 4 ampere approx. Heat developed will be I square RT, which will give us 192 kilojoule. In 23, we need to find the silver deposited at the cathode in half an hour. Solution 23. So V initial equal to V final plus IR 12 equal to 10 plus 2I. I will come out to be 1 ampere. M ZIT 107.9 over 96500 into 1 into 30 into 60, which will give us M to be approximately 2 gram. In 24, we have a plate. Calculate the energy spent by the cell in the process of deposition. And if this energy is heated to 100 gram of water, calculate the rise in the temperature of the water. And this following data is also given. Solution 24. So here Z into C, 18 into 10 to the power minus 5 equal to 3 into 10 to the power minus 7 into C, or Q. So Q will be 6 into 10 to the power 2. Potential work done by Q, work done will be potential into Q, it will be 12 into 6 into 10 to the power 2. So work done will be 7.6 kilojoules.